So this little shed here looks like it has electric. So we always check the detached buildings for electric. See what we got here. Oh yeah, this is great. We got some, looks like knob and tube here. And oh yeah, here, just as we go into the junction box, we went ahead and spliced it a little bit. Of course, we need a light bulb in this fixture here because this is practically down here at eye level. Not good. And then, oh yeah, this is the reason that we don't like knob and tube, is because people are always splicing into it. Knob and tube by itself, done right, left alone, is good, but nobody leaves it alone and nobody leaves it done right. Here we have a receptacle just hanging out. There's the hot wire out there where somebody could reach up and grab it. Not exactly sure what this little fuse disconnect here is for. Doesn't look like it goes anywhere, but I'm not going to touch it to find out. Down here we got another receptacle just hanging out of the box. The wires just running everywhere. Let's see what goes on here. Oh, here we go. Oh, we got some conduit here. But it doesn't look like our wire is in the conduit. So let's see what happens here. Oh, there it is. Here's where our 12-2 non-metallic trade name Romex wire comes out. First thing that's wrong here is Romex wire is not rated for wet locations, and you can't get much wetter than the backyard. Here we pop up over here by the cellar. I'm going to go down the cellar, and this should either be in conduit or it should be securely fastened to a board along the edge of the concrete. Again, this should be a UF type wire instead of Romex type. And let's see where we go. Okay, we're getting ready to go into something I would guess here, down in the cellar basement. And here we go into a switch box. Okay. So that's how we get our power. Wait a minute. This is a switch leg, so we don't have a return. So now let's see if we can, just out of curiosity, folks, I'm going to take this apart. We don't normally do this. I'm going to take this apart and see how in the world they got power out to the shed without a neutral to return. This should be interesting. The nice thing about electricity is almost anybody can do it. The bad thing about electricity is most people don't have any business doing it. So here we are. Looks like that he has used the bare ground wire for his neutral. This is very, very, very wrong. There is current running on this exposed bare wire. So this is a definite no-no. We're going to take a look at the other side here, see what we got going on. Yep, there's these incoming ground wire, not even hooked up to the neutral, which would have done him some good. That would have been another no-no. So here we are. He picks his power up off of the hot leg on the switch. So the shed at least wasn't switched from here. If you're considering buying a house and not having a home inspection, you need to reconsider. And if you bought a house without a home inspection, it's never too late to have a home inspector come in and check for serious, dangerous, and possible long-term problems. Thank you.